Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the unicorn indicator for MT4. This custom tool generates clear on chart buy and sell cues using a proprietary mix of trend and momentum filters, aiming to simplify decision making for intraday and swing traders. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm just going to allow the little imports. Alright, there we have it. You can see how it looks on the chart. The unicorn indicator plots distinct visual markers such as colored labels on the main chart whenever its internal conditions such as the potential bullish or bearish opportunity. Bullish markers appear near or below price and imply that the indicator's logic sees favorable conditions for upward movements. Bearish markers appear near or above price and imply the opposite. As signals accumulate, you see a track record of where the tool has highlighted possible turning points or continuation zones within the prevailing trend. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have. Alright, so the indicator's algorithm blends various elements of price behavior, trend direction, momentum, and sometimes volatility filters to decide when to show a signal. You can often adjust sensitivity so it produces fewer, stronger signals or more frequent aggressive ones depending on your style. Visual settings let you customize the appearance of buy and sell markers and adjust colors or line styles so they remain visible without overwhelming your charts. As for who is core, the unicorn indicator MT4 is aimed at traders who prefer rule-based visual prompts for trade ideas but still want to retain control over entries, exits, and risk. It is not magic or infallible. Like all indicator-based systems, it can give false or late signals, particularly during high volatility, news releases, or tight ranges. It performs best when used as one component within a broader strategy that includes higher time frame bias, support and resistance, confirmation tools, and disciplined risk management. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the unicorn indicator MT4, features, signal logic overview, strengths, and practical considerations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.